So I'm just going to do a quick, easy get ready with me today because I am going out finally for the first time ever since quarantine. I'm super excited. So we're just gonna get ready and go out. You see that over there, just ignore it. He is snoring away, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm just gonna rehydrate my skin really quickly. I hydrated this morning, but it has been quite a while, so I'm just gonna rehydrate it real quick before I get started. So I'm just gonna do my BELIF AQUA Bomb. EVIAN facial spray. And I'm going to do my Lash sleeping mask. Next is going to be the Urban Decay All Nighter primer. Next is going to be the NARS Sheer Glow in Vienna or Light 4.5. I'm gonna go in with just a brown brush and dip into my HOOLA. Light in the shade number 2, and I'm going to take the flat part of that brush that I just used. And then now I'm taking my Morphe brush. This is the E49. And then next with my Morphe angle brush as well, and then going in with my SEPHORA collection Shame on You blush. I am going to wipe off the powder. You see that the contour line is really heavy, so I'm just going to go back in with my beauty blender where the side with the foundation. Just going to soften up that contour. I'm going to go in with the HOOLA bronzer again, and then I'm going to take the flat side brush and go under my under eyes. I'm gonna go in with my mascara. This is the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Mascara, my all-time favorite, because it does not smudge on me because I have really watery eyes. Almost forgot, but I need to highlight my nose as well, the bridge of my nose. And just put it here, and then also the inner corner of my eyes. Like always. It makes me look like I did a very extensive job on my makeup, but I really didn't. So that's why I like to highlight my inner corners, because it made me look like I tried, but I really didn't, because this makeup is like the easiest makeup ever. Easiest, quickest makeup ever. So I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever waterproof eye pencil in NM60, and I'm just gonna line my upper lash line. Next, I'm gonna go in with my LUSHLASH lashes in the style Maui, all-time favorite at the moment. And then I'm taking my Duo Glue, the white clear. This isn't my favorite, but this will do for now. I couldn't find the one that I really like in store because they're all sold out, and this was the only one available, so this is what we will go with. I'm just gonna let the lashes sit for a bit, and then I'm going to probably do my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier lip liner in Chestnut. Going back to the lashes, and I'm just gonna take a tweezer. Pinch my lashes together, and then for now I'm gonna go into my Too Faced Melted Matte. This is the look. Just gonna fix my brows a little bit. this is it. And then I'm gonna do my hair, and then I